Hello guys, welcome to iShare Tech. Below is the link to the community to get a free account. Here is the link to the Telegram community. As you can see, here iShare completely free, no spam links, extremely fast and clean. Join my Telegram community right now using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Once you're in the community, I've already pinned a direct invite link. Just click it, no ads, and here you will simply pass through the link. If you've already joined the community, the link will automatically open for you. At this point, you'll see these unlock link, Telegram link, and YouTube link. To unlock this, just join the community and subscribe my channel. Once you've successfully unlocked and subscribed, simply click the unlock link and you'll get direct access to Canva Pro instantly. One click and boom, you've successfully joined the Canva Pro team. That's it. Join the group, hit the link, pass through, and Canva Pro will instantly unlock for you to test right away. Quick and real. Good luck, guys. Claim this now. Link in the description or the pinned comment. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to like this video, subscribe to iShare Tech, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future giveaways or updates. All the links mentioned are available right below in the description and the pinned comment. You can also check out my previous videos for other free premium tools and exclusive tech tips shared every week.